Surya is not just a glowing ball of gas in space. He is the first Graha of the NavaGraha system in the Jyotisha Shastra. He is the very source of life energy on Earth. Invoking the energies of Surya is conducive to one's overall health, vitality, and well being. In this video, we'll learn a simple shloka and a couple of practices through which one can worship Surya Bhagavan. I will chant the shloka first. You simply listen to it, paying as much attention as possible to the pronunciation of every single sound. We will then learn the word by word meanings in complete detail. And at the end, when I chant the shloka one more time, you can join in chanting along with me. Before we start, the Sanskrit channel is an effort to present profound principles from our Shastras through authentic Sanskrit references. Consider supporting our work through one-time contributions or monthly memberships, which come with exclusive benefits. Vayam dhanyasmaha. The shloka on Surya Bhagavan is chanted like this. Japa kusuma sankasham kashyapeyam mahadhyutim tamorim sarva papaghanam pranatosmi divakaram. Make sure that you're paying attention to the pronunciation of dirgha, long vowels, hrasva, short vowels, and alpa pranas, which are pronounced through very little air, and mahapranas, which are pronounced through a lot of expulsion of air. You can check out our course on Vak Shuddhi for beginners if these terms are something new to you. The first part of the shloka is Japa Kusuma Sankasham, to the one who is of the hue of a red hibiscus flower. At sunrise and sunset, the sun glows deep red, the same hue as the hibiscus flower. This isn't just poetic imagery, it is an observation of the Rayleigh scatterings long before modern physics. The next word is Kashyapeyam, to the descendant of Kashyapa. In the Puranic context, Surya is the son of sage Kashyapa, representing the lineage of cosmic wisdom. Scientifically, this connects to how the life on Earth, Kashyapa's family, thrives on sun's energy. The next word is Mahadyutim, to the one of great brilliance. Sun's luminosity sustains all life, plants, animals, and humans alike, driving photosynthesis and the entire ecological process. The next word is Tamorim, to the enemy, Ari, of darkness, Tamaha. The sun is the direct dispeller of both physical darkness and the darkness of ignorance within. In Vedic thought, light, Jyoti, and knowledge are inseparable. The next word is Sarva Papaghnam, to the one who destroys Sarva, all, Papa, which is sins, impurities, demerits, and so on. The word Papa in Sanskrit means that which brings us down, both emotionally and energetically. Surya is said to burn away both disease and mental stagnation. Early morning sunlight regulates circadian rhythms, balances hormones, and strengthens the immunity system. Ancient seers saw this as purification. The last part of the shloka is Pranatosmi Divakaram. I bow down to the one who brings the day. Divakara literally means the maker of the day. Surya is the one who literally turns the wheel of time itself. Without his movement across the sky, there would be no movement, of course, of day and night. Let us now chant the shloka one more time together. Japa Kusuma Sankasham Kashyapeyam Mahadyutim Tamorim Sarva Papaghnam Pranatosmi Divakaram. In NavaGraha worship, Surya is placed first not because he is closer or more important in an astronomical context, but because he is the primary Graha, the strongest influencer of life on Earth. The word Graha doesn't mean a planet. It means something that grabs, holds, or influences. Surya holds every living being in the grip of his cycles. Our days, seasons, harvests, and even our festivals are tied to his movement. Chanting this shloka at sunrise facing the sun aligns you with his circadian cycle. Traditionally, people perform Surya Namaskar, a physical, mental, and spiritual salute to the sun immediately after chanting this shloka. This is not blind worship, this is conscious attunement to the Kala Chakra, the wheel of time. In one's birth chart, Surya's placement reveals the strength of the self, vitality, and leadership qualities. A well-placed sun brings about confidence, health and clarity of purpose, while an afflicted sun can weaken these aspects. Traditional offerings to Surya include red flowers, wheat, jaggery and pure water offered usually at sunrise while chanting his mantras and gazing at him. So the next time you gaze at the sun rising like a hibiscus on the horizon, remember, you're not just looking at light, you're looking at the radiant sun of sage Kashyapa, who is the destroyer of darkness, the maker of days, and the very heartbeat of our planet's life. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Share this video with those whom you think might benefit from this. Also, consider supporting our projects through one-time contributions or monthly memberships, which come with exclusive benefits. It is your support that enables us in presenting these profound principles from our Shastras in their most authentic format. Check out all the links in the description and in the pinned comment. See you in the next video of this series. Namaskaram.